Neneca, a term that resonates deeply in the world of folklore, often refers to a mythical creature or spirit, embodying the essence of nature and mystery. In various cultures, Neneca is seen as a guardian of the forest, a protector of wildlife, and a symbol of balance in the ecosystem. Legends tell of its enchanting presence, often described as a shimmering figure that dances through the trees, leaving trails of light and whispers of wisdom. People believe that encountering a Neneca brings good fortune, inspiring creativity and harmony in one's life. Each stories remind us of the importance of respecting nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. The Neneca teaches us to listen to the whispers of the wind and the rustle of leaves, urging us to appreciate the beauty around us. So, next time you find yourself in a serene forest, take a moment to pause and reflect. Who knows, you might just catch a glimpse of the elusive Neneca, reminding you of the magic that exists in our world.